We live in a world obsessed with reflections, polishing our clothes, our titles, and our beauty, believing the outside defines the worth inside. Clara had everything, but her greatest pride was Snowball, the most beautiful rabbit in the valley. Together, they became the envy of the entire valley, flawless, elegant, and seemingly perfect. But beauty can become a dangerous mask, because when we admire ourselves too much, we begin to look down on others. One quiet afternoon, a stranger stepped into Clara's perfect world. The little girl looked hungry, tired, and broken from surviving alone in the harsh world. But instead of kindness, Clara chose cruelty. She kicked dirt toward the helpless child, treating her like she was beneath her. Clara hugged Snowball proudly and whispered, "Thank goodness we are not like her." But pride always walks beside destruction. That very night, fear shattered Clara's perfect world. The next morning, Clara wandered through the muddy woods, crying for the rabbit she once treated like treasure. And when she finally found Snowball, the illusion of perfection was gone. The storm did not care about beauty, and the mud did not respect pride. But the greatest lesson was waiting beside him. The child Clara, humiliated, chose kindness instead of revenge. Never humiliate another soul. Life can strip away beauty, pride, and status in a single night. True beauty is not found in perfection, but in how we treat those who have nothing to offer us.